Would any of you advise a client to defy a federal court order?
No.
None of you would? How about you, Professor?
I mean, under most circumstances, we follow the government and private parties follow court orders. I suppose it's not, I would not rule out ever the possibility that in a sufficiently egregious order, there should be some consideration of whether there's a way.
So in some cases,
I think it's a qualified answer, yes.
in some cases you would.
In an extremely narrow band of cases, I think it would be considered, yes.
Okay. Do any of you think that nationwide or universal injunctions are not being abused?
I'm not sure what if I may, Senator, I'm not sure what the time horizon of the question is. I don't think that there could be good faith disagreements about the correctness of some of them, but I have not seen in the last 4 months abuse. No.
I've read your stuff, and I've read your writings, and I don't want to get bogged down with this, but I have little respect for your opinion because I've read your stuff. When someone is in the White House that you agree with and someone gets a universal injunction against him, you don't like universal injunctions. You called them judges acting like they're politicians in robes and judges looking like crass political actors. But now that President Trump's in the White House, who you dislike, you think that universal injunctions taste like pumpkin pie.
So the senator opens with a powerful question. Would you ever advise your client to defy a federal court order? Most said no, as they should, but one professor left the door open, basically saying, well, maybe in some cases. Excuse me? That's a green light for selective lawlessness based on feelings. That's not legal integrity. That's anarcho-elitism. And then comes a discussion on nationwide injunctions, where one judge in one district can freeze a law for the entire nation. That's not how this republic was designed to function. This isn't king-making, it's chaos. The senator, bless him, lays it out crystal clear. This professor used to hate nationwide injunctions, called them political stunts, when Trump was in the White House. But now that Biden's running the show, suddenly they taste like pumpkin pie. Folks, if that ain't the definition of partisan double standards, I don't know what is. The senator suggests something brilliant. Automatic stays and expedited appeals when a nationwide injunction is issued. It's common sense. It keeps activist judges in check. Smash that like button, share this video with fellow patriots, and drop a comment below. Do you think nationwide injunctions are being abused? Should one judge be able to overrule an entire nation? Let your voice be heard. And remember, here at Republicant Forum, we stand for faith, family, freedom, and the Constitution. Stay strong, stay vocal, and as always, God bless the United States of America.